What's happening? Boom! What's in here? Let's find out. Oh. I'll go back. Okay, I'm gonna go back out. This is pretty good adhesive. I'm gonna go back. All right, people, we're back. So, as you know me. Where's that? No, we're organized. These two products I use on my beard. Now, this it's an oil, not necessarily for beard maintenance, but I use it. It does help wild growth. And this has been my go-to. If you know somebody who got a beard and they're just trying to get something easy to use and they're not sure, touchbodyworks. This is $11. Shipped to your door. But I was on weedbyblack.com and this one company had a special going on. Originally $30, but they had it on sale for $15.99. I'll put a link in the description. It may not be on sale anymore, but it is called Royalmane Beard Magic. Wait, well, no. Okay, this is the Beard Magic. Right here. Alright. The Royalmane. Okay, the Royalmane Beard Magic. Here's the beard wash, the royal wash. This is the conditioning and growth serum. Okay, alright. And this is the royal oil, the dropper. Ingredients: jojoba oil, argan oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, fragrance, or parfum. They got an Instagram at Royalmane Beards. Let you see it. Focus. Okay. Oh, there you go. All right. Made in the USA. It's always beautiful. So that's what we're going to be doing now. We're using these products. Royal Wash's deep cleansing shampoo and conditioning, which is awesome because I've just been using my Nubian heritage because it's all natural. On my beard, probably not the best thing to use. Having black soap, but it's all natural, so I didn't feel like it wasn't too bad of an idea to use it. But there we go, man. Royalmane, I'll put a link in the description at weedbyblack.com. Thank you guys for all your love and support. Told you, did I tell you I have more products coming? I got some more products coming, homie. I got 2 more things coming. It's actually the same thing, but it's in double. I got that coming. Then I'm gonna have another thing coming, and I'm gonna have another thing coming. But y'all, it's on the strength. Come on now, I ain't working out. But on the strength, you see Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for all the love and support. I can't do this without you guys. Thank you for all the new subscribers, and we're gonna get there. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, let's get to 500. Once we hit 500, let's hit 1,000. We're gonna do it on the strength. Peace and blessings. I say.